guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing something that I got off of Mariah Elizabeth's channel. If you don't know who that is, I'll try to put a link of her channel in the description. So in one of her videos, she does art things to do when you're bored. And in the art things to do when you're bored, she, how do I explain this? Did a thing to do when you're bored, like create something as something else. So like this poop as a cat, you know, something like that. So I'm not going to do this poop as a cat because I was doing a video like that, but this is how it turned out. Doesn't really look the same, does it? So, I don't know. So I'm going to be going around in my art room, aka my basement, and seeing what I can find. Okay, I found something. And we're going to be doing this, which is, hold on. It's just a little thing for these baby dolls. Oh. I'm gonna do this as so it's basically just like an ice cream sundae, I guess. I'm going to be doing it as a bear. Yeah, I know it's random, but I'm doing it anyways because why not? And I lost it. Where did it go? Here it is. And this is actually from the toy company Baby Born. So that's cool. I guess we should get started. Where'd my pen go? I'm using a pen because so it shows it's fresh. So let's just put this over there. And, so we're doing this as a bear. Whoa, it fell. Okay, so, I guess I'll start with the face. And then do the ears. And the nose. And the eyes, which are just like circles, obviously. Okay, and let's color those eyes in. Okay, I did that really fast, so, you know, pause the video and all that stuff if you need more time. And I'm just doing the inside of the ears now. Okay, now for the body. Actually, wait. First, I want to do this, the, you know, hot fudge dripping down on our little bear. So I'll just do like that, and a cherry. Cute little cherry. And sprinkles. Okay. When we color those in, those will definitely look better. They kind of looks like little maggots now. Okay, now for the actual ice cream, or the, you know, blue part. So she's gonna have a little dress, the bear is. That's kind of like this material, or it's gonna look like it. Okay, and now the little feet. Bare feet. And I'm gonna do kind of the lines they have going in there. It's gonna go to there. I'll just show you when it's done. Wow, it's finished. So this is kind of gonna be where her shoulders are just hanging out, I guess. And now for the actual fun part, the coloring. And 3, 2, 1. And boom, we're done. And the coloring is not that well, so I'll just quickly do that. Still sort of bad, but I had to use this and this to color the bear body, so, you know, so this is the final results. It's so cute. I think I love it. And I think you can totally tell way more than, you know, this and whoever that poop went. Oh, I found it. Yeah, you can definitely tell that this was based off of this. Or at least I think you can. So for the colors, I used this one. Let's get the better half of you. I don't really, it doesn't say what color this is. So I don't know. Reunite. I used, you know, just turquoisey color for the face, and for the dress I used another one that doesn't say the name. You know, just a light blue. And more. Come on. I used this for the hot fudge on her head. I use this for the cherry and the ears. I use this for the nose and... Oh wait, maybe this was for the cherry. I don't know. Either way, I like it. And I hope you do too. So that's it for today's video. Goodbye.